Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So imatch elandelayo Orlando Pirates iyodlala against iSkhukhune United. Mina ngikhumbula kahle iSkhukhune United sathanda kudlala igame yabo iphuma kwi-draw. Yabo nje wabe iphuma kwi-draw nje i-team le ewu-number 3 lapha kwi-league. Kusele kancane ukuthi bayifice Orlando Pirates. Yabo nje sodlala nabo nje akusiyona i-team esingayithatha kancane. Akusiyona i-team esingayithatha kancane, inabadlali abane-experience, abobonare, abosiphombule, abomahalwa, yabo, abo-ohizu. Baningi nje abadlali kulesa scheme seSkhukhune United abangasinikeza inkinga ku-Orlando Pirates. So le kuzoba i-game e-right for Orlando Pirates ukuthi idlale, yabo, i-prepare for i-game ezoyidlala nge-weekend because i-Orlando Pirates iyodlala i-derby nge-weekend. Kaizer Chiefs ngeyiziwadlale ama-matches a-midweek, iyozidlale kanye nathi nge-weekend, yabo. So le game le izobaleka kakhulu for thina because izosinikeza umfutho besikwazi ukuyiwina le game le. Izosinikeza umfutho ukuthi mase siya kwi-derby sokwazi ukuyiwina, yabo. So ngizoshaya i-lineup prediction yami mase ngithola ithuba mina ngizoshaya i-lineup. Ungangitshela wena ama-comments ithini i-lineup prediction yakho. Ungayigxeke yami, vele ungitshele yakho nje ama-comments uthi ithini i-lineup prediction yakho. Nami ngizokwazi ukujaja lapho nalapho kulaba ngibabonayo kuwena, yabo. So naye ke yami, first and foremost I will start with the goalkeeper. My goalkeeper ngaqalisa uSebochain. Angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngoSebochain bafethu, is the only goalkeeper I would trust at the moment, yabo. Center back yami, one of the best center backs esinayo kule season, adlalele kahle uSibisi. Sibisi at the back, I would start uSibisi at the back. Umchita, he has been performing very good for Orlando Pirates. He's been performing very good for Orlando Pirates. It's a pity ukuthi ama-defenders ethu in our last game they didn't pick up ama-runs. They didn't pick up their opponents. Ngosikhathi kushaya ama-corners, ngosikhathi kushaya ama-crosses. Angazi kwenze njani. Technical team eliyilungise leyo nto. So dlala ne-team ene-height ngempela. Baningi abadlali abalapha kwi-scheme seSkhukhune United abane-height. Yabo, they will use izinto ezikanjalo to penetrate Orlando Pirates. They use izinto ezikanjalo to bulala nje Orlando Pirates. So kumele sazi okay, medlala nama-team going forward kumele silindele amabhola ahamba phezulu, yabo. Sinama-defenders amafishane. Sibisi noMbokazi bafishane lo bafethu. Awustart uMbokazi again. Ngizokhuluma uMbokazi la. Abantu abaningi abayirealize lento le. Ama-team amaningi asezomtarget uMbokazi. Reason why ngithi azomtarget uMbokazi because they know ukuthi uMbokazi mfishane. Yes, uMbokazi udlala nje ibhola laphansi uzokwazi ukukuhlula, but uMbokazi once wamshaya ngemiqo wamdlula usumqedile uMbokazi. Iyona into elekha kuMbokazi height, yabo. Angathi umchita akwazi ukupractice yedwa azame yabo ukudefenda amabhola ahamba phezulu because iyona into ezomhlola umchita. Iyona into ezomshowa bamshaje nge-aerial football, yabo. Iyona into esikubulela kakhulu because nalela goli abalikora against i-Orlando Pirates goal lokugcina, uma usubheke bamtake on umchita, wadala ikhona esidaliwe wasishaya ikhona kwangena igoli. But ke angimblame kakhulu, angiblame yena. I'm not blaming him. All I'm saying is that he must work kwi-height yakhe phezulu, asebenze mfethu. Ne-technical team ikwazi ukum-advise, yabo, ukwazi ukuthi uzodila kanjani amabhola ahamba phezulu because umchita usayengane, usazofunda okuningi, yabo. Usana 19 years old, iningi asazokufunda. Right wing back yami ngizoqalisa uVan Rooyen. Ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu uVan Rooyen, one of the best right wing backs esinawo at the moment. Ngimbonile uMonyane bafethu. Thambisa uMonyane, I saw him training with the main team, yabo. I thought uMonyane ngiyazi ayidlalela Orlando Pirates kuze kube next season, but ke I saw him training with the first team. Yangijabulisa ukubona lokho mfethu. I-technical team ikwazile ukuthi imsheshise umchita ashesha abuye because siyamdinga, yabo. Akhona ama-games asisalele, yabo. Le game nje le siyawudinga ngempela u3 points. Kumele siyiclose igap neMamelodi Sundowns. Kumele siyiclose ngempela igap because mesiyiwina le game le siwine naye nge-weekend kuzoba ngconywana, yabo. Uzowabona ama-points hayi sesiwashortnishile ama-points ethu. Igap sobe sesikwazile. So I would trust uVan Rooyen kule position leya akwazi ukukhuphuka add ama-numbers phambili, add amabhola phambili kuma-forwards ethu, yabo. Angakhohlwa umjida ukuthi uyi-wing back, angakhohlwa umjida ukuthi udlala emuva, abuye azosiza i-team defend emuva, yabo. Many teams target uVan Rooyen because they know uVan Rooyen uyakhuphuka kakhulu. uVan Rooyen athi asebenzisa leyo nto leyo ukuthi okay, njengoba ngikhuphuka kakhulu kumele ngiphinde ngibuye futhi. Njengoba ngimfaka uVan Rooyen, i-team esodlala nayo idlala nga-5 at the back. iSkhukhune United idlala nga-5 at the back, yabo. Indlela aba-line up ngakhona ngizokukhombisa nje. Njengoba ngesidlala nga-5 at the back, yabo. uMogaila benoRamala bayadrop, yabo. Le scheme nje basikanje 3 4-2-1 njengoba kanje yakhombisa impela ukuthi team le ezaziyo ukuthi ifunani. This was their last game. Mase ukuthi left wing back yami engayidlalisa mina kule game yakusasa ngadlalisa lo mjida lo Paseka Marco bafethu uyadlala umjida. Yes, sometimes ngibuye ngimcriticize but kwi game yakusasa ngiyamdinga uPaseka Marco. Ngidinga that defensive structure. Yes, Dion Holt uyadlala mfethu as a defender but game yakusasa ngidinga leyo nto leyo lokuqina lokho. Yabo, so ngamdlalisa uPaseka Marco nawe uyakwazi ukukhuphuka at ama numbers phambili. Wena ungangitshela ukuthi ungadlalisa ba kule position, wangitshela ama comments right now. Ase ukuthi number 6 wami ngaqalisa uMakehleni Makhaola wafethu. For me, I think he's the perfect option for this game. He's the perfect option. Kahle Orlando Pirates usadla kule position. Yabo, ngiyakhala kakhulu ngomjida wethu uyagoga mfethu. Njengoba iphela nje isizini asazi noma izorenewa yini contract yakhe. Because asikakezwa lutho ngoMakehleni Makhaola. Yes, I would love him to stay one season. And sayidinga futhi iDM. Sayidinga iDM umjida uzodlalela le position edlala uyena uMakehleni Makhaola. Angazi kuba umdlali esingamthenga at the market right now. Khona umdlalo odlala eSuper Sport. I think uyini wamjida lo omfishane oyikhaladi kuSuper Sport uMahamani. I think uyiCDM na if I'm not mistaken. Yabo, I would have loved to see him playing for Orlando Pirates. Singesaziyo. Ungangitshela wena uthi yipi iCDM oyiprefer Orlando Pirates zami ukuyisign. Yabo, because ikhona iCDM esasifuna ukuyisigna edlala le kuSimba SC. Singesazi noma sizazokwazi yini ukuthi siconclude leyo deal le. Yabo, mase ukuthi abadlala phambi kwaMakehleni Makhaola ngingadlalisa uTalente Mbatha. Ama-talent awafani benoMfokeng. Talente Mbatha noMfokeng. Ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu funa ngalabajida. Yabo, badlalela mfethu. Talente Mbatha combination yakhe noMakehleni Makhaola yasebenzela at the moment, so I would trust the guy to continue adlale kahle, aqhubeke adlale kahle. Second half ngosikhathi idlala nePyramids idlala away, I didn't like iperformance yakhe. It felt like umjida besekhathele kakhulu. Yabo nje, but ke ukukhathala kwakhe singamkhipha umjida si-introduce uDlamini. uDlamini ngaye uyidlala kangconywana iposition yakhe. Because uDlamini ungena kwakhe uyakwazi ukuconnectisa team idlale kahle team. uDlamini akusiyena umdlalo ongamqalisa igame. I feel like bona bayasebenzisana kakhulu benoDlamini. Yabo, iyona into engayisho. Mase ukuthi umfukeng udlala kangcono as number 10 for me kule insuku nje. Yabo, uyena osangidlalela kangcono as number 10. Last game we played against iPyramids, we saw umfukeng idlala ya position le, uyidlale kamnandi. Yabo, so I play umfukeng kule position le number 10. Mase ukuthi umjida ozongidlalela i-left wing, kahle i-right wing ngadlalisa lo mjida. Ngaqalisa uNkota kugame yakusasa. Game yakusasa team isidlala nayo team defensive, so nathi kumele sifake abadlali aba-attacker ngempela. Yabo, so I would start uNkota kwi-game yakusasa ngenze sure nje ukuthi siyayiqeda igame early. Yabo, mase ukuthi kwi-left wing yami ngaqalisa uDion Hoto. So kuma wingers akusasa, Dion Hoto will play i-left winger. Mase ukuthi sesupase Marco. Mase ukuthi lo mjida lo uNkota, uNkota will play uNkota as a right winger. Yabo, ungangitshela wona kuma wingers ongawadlalisa kusasa mase uthola ithuba, but iwona ama wingers ami la. The reason why ngiqalisa uNkota mfethu, uNkota in the last 2 games esiwadlalile, even though engasinikezanga amagoli kwi first leg yePyramids, but umjida ubekhombisa yebo ubenawo lawo ma glimpse lawo. Second game wadlala kahle umjida, wayebulala lo coach igame ngokumkhipha uNkota because he was the only threat esasikwazi ukuphefumula ngayo. Esasikwazi ukuthi mes-attacker siyazi kunoma uNkota uzoyineza inkinga iPyramids. Yabo, sakhipha uNkota safaka uTito, izinto azihambelanga kahle because yavele yafaka more pressure. Yabo, iPyramids faka uDion Hoto kule last side. Dion Hoto uzo at ama numbers phambili, didn't like ama chances awathola against iPyramids, akawasebenzisanga, but I trust umjida uzokwazi ukulungisa amaphutha akhe. Number 9 striker esinaso umjida lo Makgopa. Mjida engamfaka mina uMakgopa. Dlala team defensive. Njengoba dlala team defensive, sasidinga a striker esokwazi ukufaka ipressure kulama defenders sodlala nawo. Sasidinga istriker esikanjalo. So ngingadlalisa uMakgopa kwigame yakusasa. Mhlambe wena ungangitshela isiphi striker ongadlalisa. Yabo, because right now sine crisis, asinazi istriker esingasinikeza amagoli. Yes, uMakgopa udlala kahle, but we need strikers. Yabo, iyona mina lineup yami engayikhetha le 4-3-3, traditional 4-3-3 nje. Sidinga amagoli kuphela, sidinga enye into, sidinga nje igame emnandi kusasa.